way to help the kids. My nephew CJ called. They got a flat tire, and he's got one of those fancy newer cars that doesn't have a spare tire or something. So I had to buy that flat repair kit, and he's gonna do it here at the Circle K. We'll show you how it's done. There's the hole, and here's the bolt that they found in his tire. That kind of sucks. So, I mean, we could just stuff that bolt back in there, right?
Yeah, the compressor can't put enough air in.
So,
if you buy a new car,
we're here at the Circle
a spare
K.
tire kit.
Yeah, those hippie new cars don't have spare tires.
It's only $170 online. So I'm gonna be buying one.
Well, like the Demon, it doesn't even have an option for a spare. That's the reamer.
It's got two different ones. The reamer
and the inserter.
I like this one. This is fancy.
Yeah, I mean, they had an $8 version, a $30 version, and a $20 version. This one's the 20.
I was gonna say, what's the 31? Does it for you?
I don't know. I didn't know what you needed.
I'm gonna take the next one. Oh, look at that. Can you back it up just a little more?
You keep your head down there?
Yep. I'm gonna put my hand right here, actually. I'll let you know. Just come slow. Right there. So even though it's smaller, you go and clean it all up. Get all the loose rubber out of there.
You're cornholing the sides, is that right?
Correct.
Nice. That's super glue that comes with the kit. So
Rubber
fancy.
cement.
Rubber and cement, same thing. I don't know.
So I always put rubber cement on here first. Then you pull one of these nasty sticky things out. Apparently there's two bags.
Oh, that's disgusting.
They finally found a purpose for black licorice. I think I should do two of them.
Yeah, it was a pretty big hole.
I'm gonna do two of them.
Hot dogs down a hallway is what we call this procedure.
The rubber cement on this thing makes it easier to get these things through.
Oh, a little lubrication.
That's why you wear nasty jeans when you get holes in your tires.
But you're Mr. Fancy Pants.
A little rubber cement on there.
Oh, wait.
So you push it in there. Go slow though.
Push it all the way through, you're screwed.
Yeah. Give it a few twists so it grabs some metal. Now you push this thing on there. Pull it out.
And that's it?
That's it.
Sweet.
Then you give another $1.50 to the freaking machine.
Air machines, they're just not free anymore. It's so sad. It seriously is $1.50. What a ripoff.
It's gonna suck if I have to do 3 of these.
What the heck kind of hippie machine is this?
Ask Dad, he's the one that got these wheels.
You don't need to wait for that, huh?
Nope. It was so bad that this thing, after 4 minutes, it only had like 15, 20 PSI in it.
Yeah, it seems to be holding there now.
That sucks so much. Like we went to Buffalo Wild Wings to grab some food. I open up my door and I hear this hissing sound. Bryson went in to get a table because I don't have a mask. I was just going to walk right in. And I hear the hissing, and I was like, oh, I hope this is the truck next to me. I come back here, I hear it from my car, I put my hand on the tire. First spot I feel, there's that carriage bolt. I got in the car, I was like, hey, Bryson, sorry, we got to go.
Just store that there for now.
Thanks. I heard something about you guys doing that once before.
Well, I was a little tiny kid. And there's your fix.
That's awesome. I do recommend going and getting a patch right after this stuff.
A patch or a new tire? Because, yeah. What do you think, Bryson?
Glad you came to the rescue.
Happy to be here. So I'm back from a quick trip to Hawaii. CJ's been working. He hasn't had time to go and get a new tire yet, but check that bad boy out.
I didn't trim it because I didn't care.
You can trim those down, but it's
Highly
still
recommended.
holding there. That's 3 days later. That is fantastic. So that was a $20 basically side of the road patch.
That comes with tons of them.
And it has a bunch of them. Not that you hope to have a bunch of problems with your tires, but these newer cars don't have spare tires, and this is kind of a must-have. You should buy one and throw it in your trunk for emergency use. I'll put a
$20.
link. Yeah, it's $20. I'll put a link in the description to a what is that thing? Amazon. You can go to Amazon, check these kits out. Well worth getting.
Oh.
Not that most people run over carriage bolts, but CJ
I find
does.
what I can.
Thanks for watching.